G'day viewers, just a quick video here. I'm going to try and make it on fitting Spirolocks. They're not really hard to do. The first half's the hard bit to get in. I've done most of them. I'll just see if I can manage to get a video of me doing the last one. It's pretty hard without getting my fingers in the way, but I'll give it a shot. Okay, now here's your Spirolock, little jigger. Now I like to get more light, and I seem to remember somebody once telling me that you should put them opposite. Like I've got to put two in each side on this. So now the first half's the hard bit to get in, and once you get it in, I think the rest of it's easy. So there we go, the first half started, the rest just pushes in. Get down to the last piece and you'll get a little snap as it goes in. And second one, for some reason the first one, because I started at the top, always seems to be the hardest to get in. Again, I don't know if it makes a difference having them opposite or not, but I figure it won't do any harm. If it doesn't help, it won't hurt. And like I said, getting the first half of it in can be the hardest. And nearly there. Nice little snap goes in. It's all nice and tight. You can have a quick look at it and you can tell if it's going in or not. Now, just putting that on there, hold so you're not chasing the piston all around the table. It makes a big difference. Nice and easy. Already done the other side. And that's all there is to it. Once the first half's in, then it just push it in, and don't get that caught on there, which it did, and then just push it in and it clicks in. And then the next one. Okay, I've started the second one. Just got to get in there and finish pushing it in. Only just got the first half of it in. It goes in, around. Nice and easy. And in. And the last little piece. Click, in it goes. There we go. That's about the best I can do. It's hard to hold the camera and see what I'm doing. Okay, so it's about the best I can do. It's pretty hard to try and video it with my fingers in the way, but yeah, first few were the hardest till I got a bit of a system and discovered that yeah, first half of it is the hardest bit. Once you get the first half of half a circle in, the rest of it just pushes in and clicks into place. And as far as we start one at the top and start one at the bottom, I don't know if it makes any difference or not, but if it doesn't help, it won't hurt, like I said. Anyway, moving on. See you in the next bit.